everyone. Do you guys want to know how I make this yummy, delicious fried rice with coconut milk? If you do, stick around and watch the video to the end. So in today's video, I'm going to make this delicious recipe. Is so special because my friends are coming to pay me a visit. I decided to make this recipe for them. So guys, if this is your first time in this channel, my name is Sade. Feel free to watch the video, and also please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. You can also share to friends and families, and above all guys, please subscribe to my channel. For my old subscribers, I want to say thank you for always watching my video. I appreciate and I love you guys so much. Thank you so much. So now I have some chicken breast that I'm going to use for this recipe, guys. And I also have some vegetables, carrot, sweet corn, green peas, bell pepper. I have the red and yellow and green bell pepper. I also have some chicken stock, coconut milk, coconut oil, and some butter. I have some Scotch bonnet, thyme, salt, Aromat, nutmeg, Maggi, onions, and some spring onions. I'm going to use this olive oil to cook the chicken breast. This is the rice that I'm going to use for this recipe, guys. So now first, I'm just going to soak my rice with hot water and salt. I will leave it for about 10 minutes because I want the rice to be a little bit soft. Here is my fry pan. I'm just going to add some olive oil. I'll add some salt, some onions, thyme, nutmeg, Aromat. Then I will give it a very nice good stir. I'm going to use all these ingredients here that I've mixed together to cook this chicken very well. I'll give it a nice stir. I'm just going to add some Maggi, some Scotch bonnet. You guys know that I like hot food, so I like Scotch bonnet. So I'll just give it a stir until the chicken is well cooked. So guys, my chicken is well cooked. I'm just going to pour it in my pan. I'm going to grill this chicken in my oven because you can fry your own if you wish, but I decided to do my own like this. So here is my pot. I'm just going to add some coconut oil, some butter, some onion. I will allow it to cook for about 1 minute. Then I'll pour in my rice. I'm just going to toast my rice with this coconut oil and butter and onions together. I'm just toasting this rice because for just one reason: it gives the rice a very good taste, and also it makes the rice not to stick together, especially when you are using coconut milk. You just have to toast the rice very well. So now I'm just going to pour in my coconut milk, the chicken stock, then I will add more water, not too much, because I don't want this rice to be too soft, because I'm going to cook it with the heat. I'll give it a nice stir. I'm just going to add some thyme, some Scotch bonnet, some nutmeg, I'll give it a nice stir. I'm just going to cover this rice because I want to use the heat to cook the rice. So doing it like this will make the rice to done properly. So these are the chicken breasts that I grilled in my oven. I'm just going to set it aside. We're going to use it later. I just want to check the rice. You'll be checking the rice time to time. You just stir it, bring it down to the up to the down, so that the rice will cook properly. So the rice is well cooked. As you can see, the rice did not stick together because I toast the rice very well. So here is my frying pan. I'm just going to add some butter, some coconut oil, I'll add my onions, some salt. I'll pour in my carrots. I'm just going to use the coconut and the butter to fry my vegetables very well. I'll add the green peas, so now I'm going to add my bell pepper, the red and green and yellow bell pepper. So I'll just stir everything together very well. I add my Scotch bonnet, my nutmeg, Maggi, Aromat. I'm just going to cook these vegetables for about 2 minutes. You don't need to cook your vegetable too much, if not it will be too soft. So I'm just going to cook it for just 2 minutes. So now I'm just going to add my rice, and I'm going to use all the vegetable. I'm going to fry everything together properly, so that the vegetable and the rice will mix together. It will give it a very nice flavor. I'm just adding my sweet corn, the spring onion, wow, this rice looks so beautiful. It's time for me to add the chicken breast that I grate in my oven. Wow, this rice looks so beautiful and yummy. I'm just going to pour this rice in a bowl, and I'll start the process again because I'm going to make a very big pot of rice. So guys, I'm just going to repeat the process until I finish frying the whole rice. So guys, as you can see, our rice is ready. This rice is so good, guys. Try it out. The aroma, the taste, everything is so perfect. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you so much for watching my videos. And if you know you are new here, please, before you leave, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. This is just the only way you guys just have to support this channel, is to subscribe to this channel. So for my old subscribers, thank you so much for always coming to watch my video. I love you all, guys. I love you so much, and I so much appreciate for all the things you guys have been doing, leaving a nice comment, giving the video a thumbs up. So guys, I appreciate from the bottom of my heart. I don't know how to say I appreciate, but just only this way. So guys, I'm going to miss you all, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Ciao ciao.